It may occur that a pipe has lost its structure. In this event, it has to be repaired. Let's alter a pipe to break its structure, erase a line, and then replace it with the line command in AutoCAD. Graphically, it looks right. But let's check the structure is right with the preview command. As you can see, the pipe is not white but red. Therefore, there is a problem. We're going to rebuild the structure of the pipe using the rebuild command. Select the 3 lines forming the pipe, click to confirm, and the pipe structure is rebuilt. Let's check it. Click once on the preview icon to revert to working view and click again to preview the pipe. Now all of them are white, which means they are properly structured. Click again on preview icon to revert to the original color.